At Intellipaat School of Technology, we believe every student walks in with a dream. Every parent comes with a hope, and for us, that hope is sacred. From the very first day, it becomes our responsibility to guide, support, and shape every student's future with sincerity, care, and commitment. That's why at IST, we make sure that every student is seen, mentored, and given the confidence to discover their true potential. From day one, we start with practical approach to learning technologies through hands-on projects, workshops, and directly learning from industry experts, founders from top companies, and IIT faculties. Our objective is simple: to build real engineers who can build world-class products or build the great startups. And today, I am incredibly happy to see the results. In just the first year, 80 plus students have secured internships at top IITs, NITs, cracked national level hackathons, and many more. Not only this, there is a burning zeal in every student to showcase their talent to the world. They are no less than anyone. Our students have come up with 60 plus startup ideas with problem statement and solutions, and out of them 20 plus startups are already in the development phase, and some of them will hit the market in the next 6 months. Also, some of the students of the final years are able to crack their dream company like Google with a package of 42 LP. But our vision was never just about placements. When we started IST, we wanted to create tech leaders, young people with confidence, strong communication skills, problem-solving mindset, and the courage to innovate and create an impact. This confidence comes from Intellipaat 15 years journey of upskilling over 1 crore learners across 150 countries. If we can make graduates job ready in just 6 months, imagine what we can build with students in 4 years. India's next decade will be powered by AI and innovation. And our mission is to ensure our students will lead this transformation and contribute meaningfully to the India's growth. For me, IST is not just a program. It's a community where dreams are nurtured, potential is discovered, and every student gets an opportunity to build a future they can be really proud of.